Gelatin and hot milk. I won't make it any other way. In a pan, I'll add 300 milliliters of milk and let it heat up. In a container with 100 milliliters of warm water, add a packet of gelatin in your preferred flavor. I'm using passion fruit flavor here. Mix well, remembering that the water should be warm or hot. Then we'll mix this with our milk. Let's mix everything very well. Next, add 200 g of heavy cream and mix again, preferably with a whisk. Now let's remove it and let it cool slightly. Then we'll give it a gentle stir. After that, just transfer it to your preferred container. I'm using an oval dish here. Then put it in the fridge until it cools and sets. Look how amazing this gelatin dessert is. Quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A delightful dessert for you. See how creamy it turns out. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.